What's up, Gearheads? James from Drivetrain here. Today we're going to talk about properly removing and reinstalling your clutch hub nut. A lot of times for these videos, we'll do a quickie with an impact gun after we've already removed all the Loctite and know that the fastener is going to break away nice and not gall anything, but that's not really the correct way. We're going to show you the correct way just so you know. It's obvious, it's in the service manual, but you can never stress this stuff enough. This nut is actually a left-hand thread. So when you're usually righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it's actually the opposite. Also, these typically have red Loctite applied. Red Loctite is some pretty gnarly stuff. You don't want to just attack it without heating it first to soften the Loctite, because you run the risk of ripping the threads off the shaft. You can use a heat gun. I'm going to use a MAP gas torch here. Basically, I'm going to apply a little heat to this nut just for a minute or so. Obviously, you don't want the thing glowing red. You don't want to go nuts losing temper on stuff. You don't want to start your shop on fire, none of that stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to put this little nylon locking block in here. Okay, I'd say that's about hot enough. Got a few smoke signals going there. This is an 1 3/16" 6-point socket. Use a large ratchet or a breaker bar. Again, this one I'm going to turn clockwise to loosen. And there she is. See? It's going to come off for you without ripping the threads off, without breaking the end of the main shaft off. And you can just maybe see there is definitely some residual Loctite inside those threads. That is why we heat it. So, let's say you've pulled your clutch off, you've pulled your compensator off, etc. You're all done with your service. You're putting it back together. This nut, of course, has cooled down. What you're going to do is clean these threads with some brake cleaner or some lacquer thinner, something that evaporates and won't leave any film. Once you've got everything clean, you might even take a little wire brush in there and clean the Loctite out of the threads. You're going to apply some red 271. This is the high strength Loctite per the service manual. You're just going to put a line of it in there or so. You don't have to load it up. You don't need half a tube. Just put a reasonable amount on there. You're gonna have to go ahead. You've got the Loctite on there. You've got your lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, but it's opposite, remember? So I'm actually turning this counterclockwise. Gonna switch this to the top. That's better. I like that better. Got your torque wrench set to the factory torque specification, which is, by the way, 70 to 80 foot-pounds on this. You're going to go ahead and you're going to tighten this 70 to 80 foot-pounds, and you're going to get your beep or your click, however your torque wrench is set up, and you're good to go. If you do it that way, you'll never be calling me saying, hey, I broke my main shaft off, or hey, my clutch hub nut came loose. Do it by the book, and it'll treat you right. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.